Welcome, guys. Welcome to another recap. Today, Green Day, small Green Day. Um, there was honestly nothing to trade. Pretty much all morning up until one stock made a move. Well, technically two, but let's get into that. So my P&L today, $13.08. Small day, very small day, but makes up for part of yesterday. So that's a good thing. That is a good thing. But yeah, like I said, there was really nothing to trade at all. So we'll go into what I traded, and I'm actually frustrated because this, I mean, my God, it's just everything right now is popping and then dropping. Like I traded it 20 minutes ago. So, and it's already basically break even on the day. So, yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's going on. And reminder, don't hold in hope. Doesn't work. But yeah, where did I trade this? And I traded this. Oh, I'm so mad. So I saw it and I watched it spike up and I watched this big red candle on the 10-second. And I wanted in. I had an order placed to buy at 850. So on this little dip right here, I go to buy, it doesn't fill, and it's because my limit was too low. I think I had it at, well, I popped up, it's clicked 8, so I clicked on the ask to get my current number, so say that would, or say to my limit number, and say that would be 8. So, and then I clicked it again when it was 825, I think, and yeah, yeah, it was just too low. Um, so yeah, didn't get filled at 850, and then I ended up getting just, I believe I got this little dip here trying to get back in at 850 and a little pop back up. I mean, it was only 20 something cents, so not a huge position, but or I took another trade. There was another loss in there. There was a win, small win, then a small loss, and then a win back again. So very small day. I took 3 trades, but I'm green on 2 of them, so accuracy, baby. 66% math. But that's not the only stock that popped up. There was EPSM. And this one, another one, guys. Another full retracement after 20 minutes. Okay, yeah. So this one was pretty much a no-go from the beginning. It was already too expensive. It did this double top here, and I was watching this pretty much this break through this top, and we got a nice move there, but it was already too expensive, so I wasn't going to trade it. And it did, I felt a little bit of FOMO when I saw it from like, okay, well, an entry at 19 ended up giving $3 a share or $4 a share. So that hurt emotionally, but oh well, is what it is. So gonna lock it up today. And yeah, we will not have a recap tomorrow. I don't think I'll be able to trade. I'll be at an airport, so that's not smart to trade. If I trade, I'll be very mad at myself, I think. But Friday, we'll be back for a recap. So let me know how you guys did in the comments, and we'll see you then. Peace.